Hello friends. In this session we will discuss about what is global warming. Let's get started. The continuous rise in temperature of the planet is really upsetting. The root cause for this is global warming. Global warming begins when sunlight reaches the Earth. The clouds, atmospheric particles, reflective ground surfaces, and surface of oceans then sends back about 30% of sunlight back into the space, whilst the remaining is absorbed by oceans, air, and land. This consequently heats up the surface of the planet and atmosphere, making life feasible. As the Earth warms up, this solar energy is radiated by thermal radiation and infrared rays, propagating directly out to space, thereby cooling the Earth. However, some of the outgoing radiation is reabsorbed by carbon dioxide, water vapors, ozone, methane, and other gases in the atmosphere, and is radiated back to the surface of Earth. These gases are commonly known as greenhouse gases due to their heat-trapping capacity. It must be noted that this reabsorption process is actually good, as the Earth's average surface temperature would be very cold if there was no existence of greenhouse gases. The dilemma began when the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere was artificially increased by humankind at an alarming rate since the past 2 centuries. As of 2004, over 8 billion tons of carbon dioxide was pumped. Thermal radiation is further hindered by increased levels of greenhouse gases, resulting in a phenomenon known as human-enhanced global warming effect. Recent observations regarding global warming have substantiated the theory that it is indeed a human-enhanced greenhouse effect that is causing the planet to heat up. The planet has experienced the largest increase in surface temperature over the last 100 years. Between 1906 and 2006, the Earth's average surface temperature augmented between 0.6 to 0.9 degrees Celsius, however, out per year. Millions of pounds of methane gas are generated in landfills and agricultural decomposition of biomass and animal manure. Nitrous oxide is released into the atmosphere by various nitrogen-based fertilizers, including urea and diammonium phosphate, and other soil management utilization. Once released, these greenhouse gases stay in the atmosphere for decades or even longer. According to Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC), carbon dioxide and methane levels have increased by 35% and 148% since the Industrial Revolution of 1750. That's all in this session. Our next session will be greenhouse effect. Don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube. Thank you for watching.